Welcome to the YouTube channel of Legal Aid Trust. This video is one of the series of educational videos that will be available on this channel under the category General Awareness.
Hello friends. In today's video, we will speak about the areas of intellectual property and advantages of copyright registration in India. Copyrights. Copyright laws deals with the protection and exploitation of the expression of ideas in a tangible form. Copyrights has evolved over many centuries with respect to changing ideas about creativity and new means of communication and media. In the modern world, the law of copyrights provides not only a legal framework for the protection of traditional beneficiaries of the copyright, the individual writer, composer, or artist, but also the publication is required for the creation of the works of major cultural industries such as film, broadcast, and recording industry. It resides in literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic words in the original cinematic films. To protect as the copyright, the idea must be expressed in its original form. Copyright acknowledges both the economic and moral right of the owner. The right to copyright is by the principle of fair use, a privilege for others without the copyright owner permissions to use copyrighted material. By the application of the doctrine of fair use or the law of copyright, it balances the private and public interests. Now, let's understand the advantages of copyright registration in India. The term copyright registration refers to monopoly approved by authors by the copyright law for exclusive use or reproduction. Similarly to trademark registration, with the trademark registry, copyrights can also be registered with the Copyright Office to enjoy legal protection in a copyrightable work. Copyrights is made available in a routine fashion to the authors immediately when some creative form of expression is produced in tangible mediums. Nevertheless, there are important benefits of registering your work and availing the protection services as follows. Copyright protection creates a public record of the ownership by the copyright holder. Copyright protection enables the holder of the copyright to take legal action against the infringer of the code. If legal action is taken before or within a certain period from the date of publication, it enables adequate evidence in the court relating to the validity of copyrights and the facts that are stated in the certificate of the copyright. If registration is made within a short span of a time, the person's work or at any time prior to the infringement of the copyrighted work, the copyright owner is permitted to claim statutory demands in a high court without the process of registration. Only an award related to actual damage or the profits will be made available. However, this can be quite complicated to be proved in the court of law. Permits to the copyright owner to record the registration within the Indian customs to help the protection against the importance or infringing of copies into India. Copyright protection provides a very important motivation for the creation of several intellectual work. Devoid of copyright protection, it would simply take advantage for the works without paying for any royalties or remuneration of the title holder of the work. Copyrights therefore encourages enterprises and enables an encouraging climate to provide motivation for economic activity. Copywriter entitles the creator to exercise control over their literary and artistic material in various ways, such as producing copies, performing in public, broadcasting, using online or the internet, and he or she can avail an appropriate economic reward. Copyright protection enables the creator to consequently be rewarded for their originality and venture. Copyright also enables moral right to be identified as the creator or the author for a definite kind of material, and raise an obligation to the distortion or the mutilation of the right, An author's right to object to the adaptation or the derogatory action in relation to his work or her work is referred to as integrity right. The registration and entitlement to copyright will display the validity of your copyright if it's registered within a period of 5 years of publication. This can avert future challenges to your work's related rights. One can reuse, use or reproduce the copies and can sell the copies of the work that is copyrighted. One can deal in the imports or exports of a whole or a part of a work, which is the copyright protection. One is liberated to create any diverted work from the copyrighted work. One can openly exhibit his or her work with copyright protection. One can deal in transmission or display of work by radio, video with copyright protection. We hope this video was informative. Thank you for watching.
Hope the information contained in this video was useful to you. We look forward to each one of your support and cooperation in making this initiative a success. For more details about the trust, do visit us at www.legalaidtrust.in. Kindly subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates about various law-related educational videos. Thank you for watching us and have a good day.